Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to ungroup here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Ungrouping elements in Canva is a simple process that allows you to separate grouped items for individual editing. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just click on the templates and you can start with a business design, social media design, education, video, marketing, and a lot more. If you have already a design in mind, just click the create a design option in the upper left corner. Now, as you can see, these are the elements that I am working with right now. I'm going to group them together, okay? If you do that, there's going to be a small dialog box that says group, all right? Now, I'm going to copy all of them on the next page, right here. And if I want to ungroup them so I can individually edit them, all I'm going to do is, you see this option right here, it's very easy. Click on group. Now, I can basically move the element individually, because earlier if you group the item, you can't individually group them, right? So that's one way of making the group items here for precise editing, right? So basically that's how you do it. Once you have ungrouped all the elements here, you can concentrate on specific parts of your design, making it easier to identify areas that need improvement. In collaborative projects, ungrouping elements allows team members to work on specific components like this one. For example, you're working with a specific text. They might want to change the font style without interfering with others, enhancing overall teamwork and efficiency. Or for example, if you're receiving feedback on a design, ungrouping makes it easier to make targeted adjustments based on suggestions. Now, if you have applied animations to group elements, ungrouping allows you to change or remove animations for specific elements without affecting the entire group. We have a separate video on how to remove or turn off the animation here in Canva that you might want to check in our channel. Now, you might want to click the play button to see if the elements that you have worked with designs blends perfectly well. And grouping makes it simpler to adjust the colors or individual elements, allowing for more creative flexibility. Once you are happy with this design, just click on the share button. You can download this MP4 or GIF, or if you want to share this with your client, your boss, or you're working with a team collaborator, just copy on the link. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.